I designed our first body in 2003, and we built them as you see here today. Unibody, no cross members. In the industry, we were one of the first ones to bring that type of a body to the market. Some of the market had struggled with accepting the fact that it can be as strong, or if not stronger, than a dump body with cross members. But we have the engineering proof to back us up, and we now have 21 years of history where we have built the bodies like this, and they have and stand up to the industry standards without any problems. All the Voth dump bodies are manufactured to accommodate either an underbody scissor lift. We only use Champion products for the underbody hoists. They're also standard made to accommodate a front mount telescopic cylinder. This way, in the production stage, when they're manufacturing the floor, they automatically install the brackets, all the mounting procedures for the underbody hoist. They also mount the hardware for the front mount telescopic hoist. Our safety stands are installed in a position where they're self-centering, that you can go and pop up the safety stand and stand back and then let the body down, and it automatically goes into its pocket for safety.